So Google just changed the rules again, and this one is actually different. This isn't a penalty update. This is a re-ranking of reality. And if your content is generic, even if it's used to rank, it's getting quietly replaced by content that actually proves something. So right now, Google is tuning up three things: relevance, trust, and real experience. If you don't understand what that actually means in practice, then you're going to lose traffic without knowing why. I'm Kevin Roy, Green Banana SEO, and search is changing fast, and people aren't clicking the 10 links first. They're getting an answer from AI. So the new goal isn't just to rank, it's to become the source that the AI cites. And on this channel, I show you the exact, no BS, no buzzword marketing junk that strings people along waiting for an answer that never comes. I'm going to show you the systems that we use to earn visibility in Google AI overviews, AI mode, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and more. We're going to cover things from content to architecture, entity signals, schema, measurement, and anything else that works. So these videos are built as frameworks that you can copy so that you can leave with a plan, not just ideas. So what just happened? So Google rolled out a core update in late March, early May of 2026, and it's driving massive volatility across search and discover. Here's the part that most people are missing. This isn't a penalty. This isn't trying to catch spammy stuff. It's a recalibration of what counts as real content. And here are the three real changes. Number one, relevance is now earned, not assumed. Google is aggressively rewarding content that actually answers the query, adds something new, is structured so it can be understood fast. And it's quietly suppressing rewritten content, generic top 10 fluff, and pages that don't add anything new. So if your page looks like it could have been written by anyone, you're probably in trouble. So number two is EAT. EAT is no longer optional. EAT is one of our legacy SEO terms that still matters, and now it matters even more. This is really the biggest shift. EAT is experience, expertise, authority, and trust. These are used mainly in health and finance in the past, but now they really matter everywhere. So Google's really just trying to find out if people that are writing this content really have the authority to be able to write the content. Google is asking who wrote this, why we should trust them, and can we verify them? So they're trying to draw a straight line back to the person that wrote it to see if their stuff should be credible and cited. So that part you don't get surfaced. Number three, AI and Discover are now part of the same system. And this is where things get interesting. Google Discover, AI overviews, and traditional rankings are now feeding off of the same signals. They're not separate. So which means that if you're not trusted, you're not visible anywhere. So here's what we're actually seeing that works across accounts. So content with firsthand experience, pages with clear structure, answers, proof, and what's next, the things that we've been covering on this channel, strong entity signals, authors, brands, references, clean schema, and internal linking. Pages that feel like they couldn't be faked. Not longer content, not more content, just better, more provable content. So here's a simple framework to adjust to this update. Step one, prove you're real, an entity layer. Author pages, real names, real credentials, real same as links. Go to my LinkedIn page. Why do you think I have an author page that goes to all the pages that I write that connect to my author page? There's a reason for that. Step two, prove your answer. This is the content layer. Have the answer block, the tables, the proof block, and the original insight. Step three, make it machine readable. Throw the schema in, the articles, the FAQs, the organization, and the person, and make sure that your schema matches your page exactly. Don't be lazy with schema, and with AI, you don't have to be anymore. So if you don't hit all three, your stuff is incomplete and you may not get cited. So here's the reality. You can still rank today with weak signals, but you won't stay ranked. This change is happening fast. We're seeing it across all the sites that we run and that we manage on a faster pace than before. This update is pushing everything towards one outcome. The intent is being filtered down to trusted sources only. So, and if you're not building that now, you're already behind them. So this is a really big opportunity. This stuff is all new to a lot of people. And so if you're focusing on these things, you're going to be ahead of the game.